I got told this was, is it cake? And they gave me these, and I think they're just trying to get me to eat scissors. Josh with Fortis HD. Today, we are looking at scissors. We're gonna try to cut some stuff and see what we can do. We got the Mueller Kueps 3-pack. They also sell all these individually, but the 3-packs are most efficient, and the heavy duty ones. These ones come with a sweet belt holster, so you can walk around pretending you got something better than scissors on your belt. FortisHD.com sells both of these Mueller Kueps scissor packs. This one's the 905-100. It's a 3-pack. It comes with the 070, 080, 090s. This one is the 905-060. It's the heavy duty scissors. These ones come with a sweet belt holster. And if you don't want to use that, you can just put it in your fanny pack. If you can think of other stuff you want to see us try to cut, let us know and we will cut it. I got a quarter in my truck. I'm going to go get it and we're going to cut it.
A few inches later.
Now we're going to try to cut some stuff up. Because, I mean, if you have scissors, what are you going to do with them? You're going to cut stuff. Short, stubby, curved. If you know, you know. Boom. Also, these ones have the little thumb lever, right? That way if you're holding something more important than just some rope. Middle size, I mean, at this point, we just know these are going to cut through these every time. Like that's crazy. What's that? Go to the higher level? I can go to the higher level for sure. Next up, strap. If you ever get to the point in your life where you have to cut a strap up, that sucks. Boom, right through it. Next. Oh man, we gotta find something harder, I think. As you can tell, these scissors are good. They come out of the box shop. I am Boston, that's why I said shop. Like a glove. I haven't done this much cutting since craft time as a child. That's a riot. Now let's look at the heavy duty scissors. We're not gonna cut any of this stuff with it, because that's what those scissors are for. Those are the sharp ones for that. Heavy duty scissors have the lever on the back for the release. It's also more for your precision cuts, that inner loop there, right? See it? Little half moon. That's what that bad boy's for right there. It is serrated. It will still cut you. Don't be a dumb. So we have the wire cutter here we've talked about. We have the crimping tool here as well, right? So we can also crimp wire there. And then we have the actual strippers in here. Not the good kind, the wire kind. Don't need to be seeing Big Mike and the boys. And this is what happens if you around, right? Call me old Normie Nine Toes, because I got 9 fingers. Let's see what these things can do against a non-heated or treated quarter. We're gonna get on it. Oh, it's trying, buddy. That's not bad. Just so everyone knows, that's a Canadian quarter, so we don't give a about it. Or if you're in Canada, I apologize for what I just did to the Queen. I'm sure she was a lovely lady. Does a little bit of cutting, right? Not an intended purpose, but these are a really good multi-purpose scissor. You can get all sorts of stuff out of it electrically. And now, just for science purposes, and because these are scissors from my own collection, so it doesn't really matter if I break them or them up. These ones are not meant for metal, right? So let's see what they can do. Mueller Kueps. On board, 2-handed. Bam! Get that action shot. I just shot it all over that guy's face. I didn't actually. Good Lord. No head tap required. Again, they don't suggest using it, but that's other material and it went right through it. We got one more just for fun. Let's see if we can recreate it. If you have other stuff you want us to try to vise and cut, let us know. This is all I do all day long is just put other stuff in vices and cut it. 2 hands, because I'm a big boy. Bam! Right in your face. In your face. God damn it. You're like Chris Rock and I'm Will Smith and I just slapped the out of you for calling my wife bald. That's a great G.I. Jane joke. Long story short, if you're looking for some scissors, 905-100, 905-060, get them at FortisHD.com. You will not be disappointed. There will be a promo code beneath me, probably somewhere around my belly. This part of my belly, not that part of my belly. We don't want to get too close to the camera. You, I'm trying.
If you have a favorite tool you'd like to showcase in action on the channel, reach out and submit your video to media@FortisHD.com. Join us on our journey to tool the next generation.